I'm going to talk about the term 3D printing. So right now it is printing a keychain which was inserted through a program named CAD, computer aided design. So this technology is also used by movies to make it more extraordinary and realistic. My friend Sia will talk more about it.
Myself Siyagun. Now I will be explaining you how the 3D printer actually works. So this 3D printer is currently using a technology called as FDM, Fused Deposition Molding. This technology basically works by the plastic filament being melted and removed through the nozzle to print the object layer by layer. Thank you. So you might be thinking that how long does 3D printing take? The printing time depends on few factors including the size of the part and the setting used for printing. The quality of the finished part is also important when determining printing time as higher quality items take longer time to produce. 3D printing can take anything from few minutes to several hours or days. Thank you. There are variety of materials used for 3D printing such as thermoplastic, ceramics, metal powders, resin or wax, etc. If you want a product made of resin or wax, so then you can use stereolithography, digital light processing, etc. technologies. If you want a product made of metal, so then you can use electrobeam melting technology or digital light processing technology, etc. If you want a product made of multicolor, so then you can use binder jetting technology or triple jetting technology. Thank you. Good evening, myself Sneha Rajput, and I'll tell you something about 3D printing today. 3D printing is currently the most trendy manufacturing method in the market because it is very cost effective. All it uses is a software which is installed on your desktops and PCs, on which you can design the model that you desire, and then you can upload it to a pen drive and then connect it to the printer, which will then start doing its job for you. You can also use 3D printing for making customized gifts for your friends and family because you can change the density of the product, and also to make such translucent lamps, the density of the product is in effect as we all know about it. Second thing is that 3D printing is something that is very cost effective because you don't need to make molds for it again and again, and you can use it for various different things. Thank you.
My name is Samriti and I'll tell you about the laser printing machine, also known as the engraving machine. So, what this machine does is that we have to enter our 2D sketch or design through the CAD software, and it just automatically starts printing the model onto it. Next, it will be explained by my friend today.
How the laser printing works is that there is a module which is connected to a rail, and the module is connected to a laser, and the laser engraves the wood.
There are three main processes involved in this. First process is that we have to create a 2D design or a software named as CAD, or we can download the 3D model or file from Thingiverse website. The second step, we have to connect the computer cables to the machine and fill the machine with powder. The third step is that as it receives the instruction, it starts to print the sketch or design.
The next method is photopolymerization, in which there is a huge tank under this filled with a special kind of liquid. What happens is it has a z-axis which can move up and down. It goes down and pulls the object upwards layer by layer. Then the liquid converts into solid, and because of the sun, the object gets dry. But there is a disadvantage of that because we need to cut the extra parts and we need to paint the object. Thank you.
In laser printing, we can use the materials such as wood, metals or clothes to print the 2D object. The advantages is that we can keep it for life, and the disadvantage is that it can be damaged due to external factors. There are few examples of 3D printing. These all are made using plastic. These two are recently built examples. We can use 3D printing to make anything what we want to make. If we mix solar panel and 3D printer, it makes such kind of car in which if we keep this car in sunlight, it automatically starts working. We can use 3D printing to make such kind of customized gifts to give this to our family or friends.